Hey guys, welcome back. It's like Christmas around here, only a little less exciting. It's Sephora unboxing day. Yay! Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Angie and I do videos all about life improvement. Today we're going to be opening up my Sephora Play Box. Just started subscribing to Sephora, and since my last video I did make the decision to discontinue my Birchbox. Wah, wah. Been subscriber to Birchbox for 4 years, and I've got one more box coming, so there will be a December unboxing. But I felt like I just kind of kept getting the same stuff over and over and over. So this is my third Sephora Play Box. So far, I'm really digging it. So let's get in here and see what we got this week. Month. Whatever. All right, so we start off with show off and share using Sephora Play. Hashtag Sephora Play. So, yeah, I probably will. One of the big things about the Sephora Play Box is you get insider points. And I'm a slacker. I've gotten, this is 3 now. You know how many I've used? This many. Can I give them to somebody else? Do any of y'all want them? I mean, like, is that a thing? I don't know. So every month you get this big poster thing with tips, and then on the back it tells you all about your goodies. So I'll be using it to talk through what's in the box. So first of all, we have a beautiful box. Then we have like a Ziploc bag. Sorry, I have no life. Like, I actually took a shower a minute ago so that I didn't look like death for you guys, because I think my last few videos I've just looked like death. So now I just look like wet death. One step above death. Alright, so first up we have Bumble and Bumble BB Thickening Dry Spun Texture Spray. Creates instant volume. And it says it's a translucent texturizing spray that creates instant fullness and volume. Shake well, hold can 10 inches away from dry hair, and spray where you want fullness and texture. All joking aside, my hair is really fine. I did just get a haircut in color. You can't tell because it's wet. So it looks so much better. Shout out to Trevor at the main event. It looks a lot better than it's been looking, but I can always use a little extra texture and oomph. Alright, next up in the magic bag. Oh, Rouge Gel Lip Liner. Crayon Contour. So, I like a good lip liner. I'm fixing to rip this. Oh, it's taped. It's taped, y'all. It's tape. Maybe I should just pull the tape off, because that's how one would do it. Oh, cute. Oh, it's a nude. Good. I like a good nude. Nothing but nude. It is a gel lip liner with a super soft texture in a matte nude shade. Well, I like that. I'll probably be using that. If this is your first video, I don't get dressed up very often because of my job. I own a gym, so I wear sweatpants and my hair's up in a ponytail. But occasionally I sub at the high school, so I try to look a little decent there. And then I do pinup contests, so I put on makeup there. But most of the time I'm pretty low-key, so these Sephora boxes or these Birch boxes are basically all the makeup I buy, because I don't need a lot. I'm pretty low-key. This is Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. I like that. I like a good lip balm. I will use a lip balm fairly often. It says hydrating lip balm that locks in moisture. Oh, and delivers a velvety shine. I've got a lip balm on right now, so I probably won't put this on. And I also probably won't put it on because I can't get it open. See my little piggy? He's a bank. I've had him since I was probably 6. Back in the day when ceramics were popular, my mom made that for me. It's got my name on it. I still use it. Yeah, so it's just a little tub. This is going to last me. I don't know how to use a camera. I'm putting it over here. This is going to last me forever. Let's see how it smells. I like it. You know it's kind of funny? Okay, look at this. Speaking of my mammy used to sell Scentsy. And she gave me all her old samplers. They kind of look the same. Like, sell these to people and call them lip balms. No, I wouldn't do that. Or would I? Alright, sorry. I've done nothing today except for sit on my butt, so you can tell I've got a little pent-up energy. Next up on our list, ooh, Primed and Peachy. Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Love, love, yeah, you can't see that. Oh, my hand, oh, look at my hands, you can tell. I do CrossFit, sorry, ignore that. Yeah, it's not zooming in, whatever. I like a good primer, not necessarily for day-to-day use, but like I said, when I do pin-up contests, it can be hot, so a good primer helps tone this. My heater's kicking on and off, sorry. Good primer evens the skin out. Makes you look beautiful. Alright, then we've got Lipstick. Sephora Rouge Matte. It says that, I can't find it. I can't find it on my cheat sheet. Oh, it's just a bonus. There's no description. But this is a Rouge Matte Lipstick. Sephora brand. And even though I've got lip balm on, let's be crazy. Let's put this on and see what it looks like. It's a pretty color. Okay, here we go. Just what you wanted to see, right? Me trying to put on lipstick. I'm fixing to film a thrifting video too, so. I'm gonna look kind of funny with my lipstick on, but no other makeup. Okay, I don't know what it looks like in real life. But from far away, it ain't bad. Meh. See, this is why I like these boxes. I don't have to go buy lipstick because this one works. Coolio, if I had used my liner, that would have been smart. Alright, I think there's one more thing in here. Yes, there is. Oh, mascara. Lights, Camera, Lashes. 4-in-1 mascara. A mascara that lengthens, curls, volumizes, and conditions lashes. Well, I am pretty biased toward my Benefit Roller Lash, but I will give this a try. It's fairly important. So, in this month's Sephora Playbox, I'm actually really excited about all these things. I'm looking forward to trying the thickening spray. Clearly, the lipstick ain't bad. Thumbs up for that. The lip balm, the primer, the mascara, and the lip liner. So Sephora Play is $10 a month, and I think I totally got a $10 value out of all of that. I will put a link below. As far as I know, Sephora doesn't have a referral code program, so if you use my link, yay. Stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna film a thrifting video here in just a minute. I picked up a few things at the Goodwill. If you enjoyed it, I hope you give me a thumbs up, and I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you guys have a great day, and stay strong, y'all. Bye.